slowly and carefully. I think especially when a relationship has been damaged, you need to be careful in how you approach it. And most of the time you do that over time. I think one of the great first steps is if something that you've done has caused a rift or a problem in a relationship, work to be upfront about it. Spend some time meeting with the person, or if you can't do that, maybe send them an apology or a few words about, I recognize this has happened and I'd really value working to better our relationship. I think that's a great first step. Secondly, I would say that just thinking about the person and seeking to help them and serve them. How can I do something that would be beneficial to this person? What can I share from my expertise or knowledge, or maybe an article that I saw that would help them, or an idea? Pass that along to them. I think people recognize relationships are two-way, and if you're really trying to rebuild a relationship and you work hard to reach out, in most cases the other person's going to reciprocate.